sellers, my name is Dana Rodriguez.
And my name's Ashley DePinto.
And today we're going to talk about Section 14 of the BSA agreement. It's titled Suggestions and Other Information. Ash, do you want to get us started by telling us a little bit about it?
Sure. So as you all may know, Amazon recently made many changes to their business solution agreement. However, this section, they haven't changed at all since the last agreement has been implemented. So we do want to advise sellers that there are still, of course, risks with this specific section. Pretty much what a summarization of what Amazon is implying is that any information that you put out on the platform ultimately is theirs, and they have the right, they own those rights. We always want to just inform our clients and any sellers in general to always be wary of this and whatever information they post out there.
This is just, another thing to look out for when you are selling on such a big online platform like Amazon. All that information that you post on that platform is definitely not safe.
Additionally, in this section, Amazon does mention they will use any feedback, and they could use that actually to your disadvantage, seller's disadvantage. And they could provide any of the information to the government. So depending what platform you're selling on, sellers could also run into this issue. Once it gets higher than Amazon, this can become a real potential problem to both you and your business.
Yeah, but that's really all we have to say about Section 14. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you. Have a good day.